love is an action, not an emotion. Yeah. Even when somebody is driving you crazy, you can still love them. I told Jackson and I were talking this morning, and I said, Jackson, everybody needs a break now and then. I said, I need a break from Tim every now and then. He goes, what do you people do when you're not in church? I said, well, sometimes Tim's in his office downstairs and I'm in mine in the kitchen working or something like that, but sometimes you just have to pray. But we still love the people. So I want to ask you something. On February 14th, every single year we celebrate Valentine's Day. How many of you, do you all at school still celebrate? Do you those of you that are in the younger grades, do you still make the boxes and decorate them and give Valentine's to all your friends? How many of you give Valentine's to everybody in your class? And why do you give Valentine's to everybody in your class? Is that a choice or because you're told to? Because you're told. It's because you're told to. That a lot of you do it because you're told to. That's correct. But we're going to talk about today that love is a choice. Valentine's Day is a day every year that young men who are in love spend a ton of money. So Valentine's Day literally is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Because you got young men that are in love and they want to prove their love, and they're going to buy flowers, and they're going to buy candy, and they're maybe going to buy jewelry, and they're going to take their girlfriends out to, they want to take their girlfriends out to a nice dinner, and that costs a lot of money, doesn't it, to do all those things? And it's nice, but it's just one day. It's just one day. And it's also a day that married couples maybe exchange gifts, or they give a card saying, I still love you, you're still the most. But it's also a day that's hard for a lot of people, because if you're single and you don't have a boyfriend or you don't have a girlfriend, people feel, you know, they just want to crawl under a rock and hide until it's over, right? I see the teenagers are smiling at each other. Have they been there? Have we been in that spot? Yes. I have to. And love is a word that is thrown around a lot. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. But we're going to talk today about what true love is. The true love is a choice. It's a choice that you consciously can make. The love we're talking about on Valentine's Day is romantic love. But are there other kinds of love?
Yes.
Are there other kinds of love?
Yes.
Malachi, what other kind of love can you think of?
Jesus' love.
We're going to talk about that in just a minute. I'll come back to you and we'll talk about what that word is. Anybody else? How many of you have a pet? Do you love your pet?
Yes.
Do you love your pets or pet? One or more? Yeah. How many of you have a brother or sisters?
Unfortunately.
Oh, Gracie Lou. But how many of you love your brothers and sisters? You may not like them every single minute, but we still love them, don't we? Hey, just to put it into perspective, Naya's got one brother and one sister. This Malachi has got 3 brothers and sisters. This Malachi. I have 10 sisters and 4 brothers.
Yeah. I got 1 sister.
15 kids in our family. Yeah. 15 kids in our family. And there are days that I honestly can't say I like them very much. But I always love them. I choose, yes, Daniel.
That's every day for me.
Yeah. We make the choice. We make the choice to love them. How many of you love sports? Jackson, both hands went up. What sport do you love the most?
Basketball.
Basketball? Hope?
Cheerleading.
Cheerleading? That is a sport. People think it's not, but it is. Naya? Gymnastics?
That's not a sport.
Oh,
it is. Oh, yes, it is.
Oh, isn't that Malachi? Malachi, what's your favorite sport? Football. Cora? Ballet. I like that. And ballet is hard. You have to be in really good shape to do ballet. Mercy, is your way that? Yes, What's your favorite sport? Volleyball, okay. Where am I at? Cameron.
Football, basketball, baseball.
Okay. Daniel?
Football.
Football. Natalie?
Soccer.
Soccer. Oh, I like to watch soccer. Yes, Tommy?
Football.
Football. Okay. How many of you would rather watch a sport than play a sport? You love to watch. How many of you would rather play or would rather play the sport? You love to play the sport. Okay. I have to be real honest. In our house, I have more fun watching Tim watch sports than I do watching the sports themselves. Because Tim gets very into the football game, and he's yelling at the umpires, and he's yelling at the players, and he's cheering, and he's hooping and hollering, being loud. You don't even have to watch the Chiefs game to know the score is at our house. I could be upstairs in the kitchen baking or something. I don't even have the game on, and I can tell you it's 14-7 Chiefs because I can tell by how Tim's acting. Tim actually has a referee. It's a pillow doll that tears apart, and you can literally, like, you're yelling at the referee, you know, and he throws it at the TV, and it's crazy at our house. TJ, when he was at home before he moved away, he would come out and go, "Chiefs are losing, aren't they?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Don't even need to go in and check the score. I can just tell." Because Dad was all yelling and fussing at the TV. Tim loves his sports. Honey, what's your favorite?
Probably Chiefs football.
Chiefs football, yeah.
But I also like baseball too.
Huh?
You're so rude.
Did I skip you, Malachi? What's your favorite sport?
Soccer, football, basketball, baseball. Yeah.
Just any
Wow.
of them. Boy, you're just well-rounded. Okay. But so there are many different kinds of love, isn't there? We've talked about. So there's romantic love. There's a love for our families. There's love for our friends. But so we have all different kinds of love. We all love different things, right? We had a lot of different sports talked about. How many of you love dance more than you love sports? Any of you take dance classes? Cora, you take ballet?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh, do you take dance?
All I was going to say, my friend Trinity, she does, and I keep asking my mom if I can join her dance.
Yeah. Dance takes a lot of the same skills that athletes have. We all love different things, don't we?
Yeah.
And that's okay, isn't it? It's okay to love and like different things from your friends. What do we need to do though? We need to respect each other. Yeah, we need to respect each other and the choices that they make. Okay, today I'm going to read you. I'm going to read you 1 Corinthians 13. Anybody know what the whole chapter is about? Nope. Anybody know? Love. Anybody? It's about Oh, very good. You want to come teach and I'll discuss it again? Oh, come on, Naya, you can do this. Okay, 1 Corinthians, this is Paul speaking to the church of Corinth many decades ago. If I speak with the tongue of men and angels, but I have not love, I am only a resounding gong or a clanging cymbal. If I have a gift of prophecy and can fathom all mysteries and all knowledge, and I have faith that can move mountains, but I have not love, I am nothing. If I give all my possessions to the poor and surrender my body to be burned, but have not love, I gain nothing. Everybody wants you to listen to this part. Love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it is not rude, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices in the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails. For where there be prophecies, they will cease. Where there be tongues, they will be stilled. Where there is knowledge, it will pass away. For we know in part and we prophesy in part. But when perfection comes, the perfect disappears. When I was a child, I talked like a child. I thought like a child, I reasoned like a child. When I became a man, I put away the childish things behind me. Now we see a poor reflection as a mirror. Then we will see face to face. Now I know in part. Then I will know fully as even I am known. And now these three things remain, faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. This is one of the most beloved scriptures in the Bible. It's used at weddings. A lot of people recite it at their weddings. It's used in a lot of. I don't know if the girls, Naya, do you all still memorize this book at Impact Girls? You've memorized this chapter? Maybe you haven't gotten there yet. We had to memorize the whole chapter when I was your all's age or a little bit older. But it's often quoted on Valentine's Day because it talks about love. You know, how many of you, you hear a boy or, oh, I love her, oh, I love him, oh, I love, you know. And they're just, and then next week they're in love with somebody else, and then next week they're in love with somebody else. Love is not a feeling, because feelings fade. Love is an action. It's not butterflies in your stomach when you see a pretty girl or a cute boy. It's not. Love is more than that. Love is deeper than this. Okay. It is a choice. It is an action that requires that you put someone else first. When I married Tim, I decided he was going to be the #1 person in my life, second only to God. And it doesn't matter if we have a fight. It doesn't matter if we have bad things happening, because God is going to, because we have made the choice to love each other. We have made the choice to be together. God has for us, it's called?
Never-ending love.
It's never ending, that's true. It's called agape. Can you all say that word? Agape. Agape love. The love that God had for us is an unconditional love. You know, kids, God created heaven and earth, didn't He? We studied that several months ago. Jesus did not have to die on that cross. It was His choice. He made that choice for you and me. He made the choice to die on the cross so that we could live. And you know, kids, it wasn't easy. It wasn't like, oh, it's going to be a little bit. The Bible tells us that Jesus was in the garden and He was praying. And He actually said to God, I don't want to do this. I don't want to go through with this.
He wanted another way to live.
But He told God, not my will, but your will. And God knew that was how it had to happen. Angels.
Legions, thousands.
The Bible says thousands. The Bible says legions of angels. If He didn't call them, they would have come and gotten them. But He didn't. He died on the cross and rose again. Why did He do that for us? So that we could ask forgiveness of our sins, and so that we could go to heaven with Him when we die and when the Lord comes